Okay, so today we're on a mission. We're out on a road trip going to a place about 20 minutes from us. It's top secret. We're not allowed to tell you where, but it's to find a kitchen. After the vlog of us going shopping and saying how expensive kitchen sinks were, we got a text from a couple called Joe and James who said to us, we're ripping our kitchen out. Would you like the kitchen sink? They then sent us pictures of the kitchen and we went back and said, really cheeky, what are you doing with the rest of it? And they said, we're ripping it all out, you can have it. So we're going now to see Joe and James. They are a bit shy, so they may not be on camera very much.
Terrible thing to say. They're probably not shy. They just don't want to be on the camera with you.
But yeah, we're going to go and have a look.
I just realised what we can call it.
What?
Operation Everything But.
Oh, everything but. That's a good one. Operation Everything But
The kitchen
sink. But we are getting the kitchen sink.
But then it has no relation. Everybody go, oh, well, they're not getting a kitchen sink because it's called Everything But.
We are getting the kitchen sink. Anyway, yeah, so let's go to Joe and James, find what they've got and see what can we have. We're not allowed to take it all today because I think they're reinstating their new kitchen in stages. So we'll see what we'll be able to take. And it's exciting. Free stuff. Yay! God, it's a grey old day today.
Yeah, well, I hope it don't rain because I have got something to cover it with, but... Let's just drop that down. So
what you can do, reverse it in?
I don't know yet. It's too much traffic. Right, let's see what happens.
Hello! Maddie, James.
How you doing? All right?
Good to meet you. Hi.
Yeah, I'll probably back it in, yeah.
Oh, it's good this place.
This is where you can demonstrate your superior. Did I manage to break the trailer into this?
Really big. Dad, can you help me get the last one? I did do an intro on the way down. I said they're shy.
Just really put that in there. So.
Look at these kitchen cabinets.
It's amazing, really. And it's all made out of the stuff that you can, you know, it's not terribly expensive to replace if
Yeah.
And bits and pieces, you know. And if I want to make another cabinet, you know, you're going to make it out of this. It's going to be relatively.
This is so cool. I'm so excited to get it home. Are we going to fit it all in?
I don't know yet. But I'm hoping. Well, if not, we'll just have to put it in the back.
Okay, so we're back home. A huge thank you to Joe, James and Maddie for this. I'm not sure if they realise how brilliant this is for us. And for anybody that has purchased the kitchen cabinets on our website and wood for it, we do need other cabinets, so they will go to us. So this is kind of an infill and will save us a lot of money. But the rest of it, we will have to go out and purchase still some more carcasses and wood for doors and things. However, here we are in the barn, and Ted
Trying to find somewhere to put it.
because we need actually the trailer now, because we've got to go and do some déchetterie runs, so we have to take it out. But we're just going to pop it here in the barn and leave it in here until we need it. But this is amazing.
Yeah. There's some bits that I don't know. Extra legs. That's good. Lost. Some of them haven't got legs. Some of the carcasses are obviously a little bit tired, hence why they're replacing their kitchen. But but I think we can get some use out of an awful lot of it. The one thing I have discovered, now these doors, obviously they're not really to our taste, and obviously not Joe and James's taste, because they wouldn't be taken out of the kitchen if they liked them. So, but the good thing is one, they're made out of MDF and not chipboard, which is a result. The carcasses are made out of chipboard, but that's not desperately expensive to replace bits of. These are made out of MDF, and this is a bit of kickboard, or I think it might be I don't know what it is, but whatever it was, it's covered in crappy glue, and so whoever installed it didn't want it to come off. But the good thing is that this is the very good thing, is that it is a plastic coating.
Oh wow, that is brilliant.
The thing, and I've seen on the wonderful thing that is YouTube, people effectively what they do is that they get a heat gun, and they, you know, this one obviously probably got a bit of moisture behind it, that's why it's done that, but it is MDF, which means that it will take a routed line better than, well, chipboard just wouldn't, it just break out and fly all over the place, and you know, it'd be fine if you were just jointing something together, but if you wanted a pattern, then this stuff will be much better. There are, you know, brilliant. Obviously they're downsides. We've got a little bit of a chamfer on that edge, but I think we can probably work that into the design.
Yeah. Yes, of course. So this is the thing. What are you doing, Bessie? Bessie's having an exploration up there.
Yeah, just having a little look around.
Have a little sniff around. So this is the thing. I have been trying to look at different designs where I might be able to paint the cabinets. But if Ted can do some routing in it, sorry if I'm shaking, but I am so cold. The temperature today has just suddenly dropped.
Really dropped. I've got 3 layers on.
So my hands are shaking. Anyway, the idea is that we come up with a design, and Ted will route either panels in it or something to make it interesting.
Just some nice, and then obviously it'll take the MDF painted properly. Does take paint very well.
That takes it much better than melamine.
Oh goodness me! You know, I didn't see how you were going to do that with any significant, you know. And if you've had to, you know, you'd have had to rub this back, and it wouldn't look nice. But so that's the good thing. It's, you know, fabulous. It's obviously a lot of work, but we've got a bit of a wait for the rest of it, so we can be doing. We can do this and experiment and see what happens, because I'm sure, you know, I'm sure they're not going to have. I'm sure we're not going to be able to use all of it.
Yeah.
So I think we can just try and see what we can do.
Brilliant.
It's good. That is the result.
That is a real result. And where is the kitchen sink?
Where is the kitchen sink? The kitchen sink, the lovely kitchen sink, actually, is in the back of the car.
All right, should we get that out? Yeah. Because that is a real find, isn't it? All of this is just going to save us absolute fortune. Now, kitchen sinks are so expensive. I don't know if they're as expensive in the UK, but over here, they are so expensive. So, especially ceramic ones. And we also got this electric hob from them. The only problem is we're not sure we're going to be able to use it because of the wattage. The voltage on it might be too high.
It says 6.5 kilowatts, and that is huge.
Yeah.
You can see this big thick cable, and I can imagine we've only put in a 2.5 cable. This is, I don't know what they call it, 6mm maybe, but yeah, and it's so I don't think we're going to be able to use it because we haven't got the power, unless we could run something round a separate cable from the board all the way around, but I'm not sure that even the way we've got that set up, this will take it.
Yeah. Oh well.
But we'll keep it.
We'll keep it just in case.
We'll keep it until the electrician can.
So this is the sink upside down.
Let me just get that out of the way.
I'm just going to go and get another jumper on. Hang on a sec.
Look at that.
Look at that.
That is a proper result.
That's amazing, and it looks brand new.
Yeah,
There isn't a scratch on it.
No.
It doesn't even look like it's been used.
That's beautiful.
That is absolutely amazing. Now, something like this would cost us a few £100, wouldn't it?
Yeah, I reckon best part of 300 or 400, yeah.
So that is absolutely fantastic that we've been able to get that. I am so chuffed with that.
Beautiful.
And she's even given us the tap.
We got the tap as well, did we?
Yeah, she hasn't given it to us yet. She's next trip over, she'll take the tap out and even given us the tap, bless her.
Well, actually, I found Steve gave me a box of plumbing bits and says, use what you need. There's a tap in there.
Is there?
Yeah.
Oh, this is absolutely brilliant. I'm so pleased with it. So huge thanks goes out to Joe and James for gifting the kitchen. We can't believe it is absolutely amazing. And now all we've got to do is think about what we're going to do with it.
How to install it, and it'll be fun. Yeah, checking it out. Thanks again, Joe and James and Maddie. If you like this video, please subscribe, hit the hype button, comment, do all that sort of thing. And check out, if you want to see the uncut version of this video, check out the membership details. It'll make you laugh.
See you all again soon. Take care, everyone.
Bye now.